Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is the second big package that I've received in the mail from Schottys-diecast in Luxembourg. It's another international mail call. I guess all my mail calls are international. Let's see what's inside. There's a nice short note here. It says, "Congratulations for 3 years, MLC. I hope you enjoy this small package." Thank you, Eve. You're a very generous friend, and I just did a restoration on a car that I received from Eve in his first big mail package. This one starts with a coat of arms from the beautiful micro country of Luxembourg. And lots of packing. I'm going to remove the separately packaged pieces from the inside. No fear of anything being damaged when it's packed this well. 1, 2, 3 of them. Oh. Make sure the rest is just paper. It is. So away with the box, and I can dig in. More safety levels here in the form of duct tape. First one out of the box is a Plymouth GTX. It's mint. Looks brand new. Beautiful metallic green blacked out wheels. I like that. This is a 69 Dodge Coronet Super B by Hot Wheels. Looks like it's fallen off the table a couple of times, but that's easily repaired and will make a nice restoration, as will this 70 Dodge Challenger. Nice pieces. I see a theme here, Eve. 71 Hemi Cuda. Looks like American Muscle Day here at MLC. Very thoughtful of you. This one got some special packing attention. Oh, I see why. It's a classic Matchbox Ford Galaxy Fire Chief. It's in perfect condition. You cannot find one this old looking this fine. Wow. Spicy contents. Beware. And further wrapped on the inside. Great job, Eve. I have to tear through the duct tape, and look at this. Out comes a Hot Wheels Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. I got a picture of this via email about a week ago, and this is Eve's entry to my Porsche 3 Invitational for my YouTube channel's 3rd anniversary. And this is the first one that's been submitted. Absolutely gorgeous work on the paint and the decals. All the details, top to bottom. Might as well put a little plug in here. In case you don't know, March 18th is the upload date. Everybody's invited to participate. All you've got to do is customize a Porsche. Here's another one. And you pay it forward by giving it away. And you don't have to send them to me. Eve is doing this out of his generosity, and we're almost next door neighbors. You can give yours to anybody. Oh, this is a beautiful one too. I just did this lime green on a Plymouth Superbird. Outstanding color. It works on the Porsche as well. And look at this. It's another Hot Wheels, and it's a 911 GT3 RS Special Canadian Edition. I love it. Look at that big maple leaf on the hood. Red and white colors. Beautiful big rear spoiler on there. Great details on the bottom, especially the exhaust. These are outstanding, Eve. 3rd anniversary, 3 Porsches, and you know there's no guessing what's in here. Well, it's a bottle, I know that. What's in the bottle is a surprise. Oh, it's a beautiful demi-sec champagne. Eve, I will toast you and all of the Porsche participants on March 18th, on the 3rd anniversary of my channel. Thank you for this very special 3rd anniversary package. Very thoughtful, super generous of you, and 3 Porsches. Remember, folks, you don't need to send them to me, but you do need to pay it forward and give them away to someone. Sure appreciate you visiting today and watching this. Give it a thumbs up and leave a respectful comment below. Wishing you all a fine day today. Come on back soon and often. It's coffee time.